I'm not familiar with walking along with a camera, but I thought I would do a video blog today because I'm getting my hair cut off. That's a good thing. Sorry, wild digression, but aren't these really cute? So I'm in the waiting room now, and I have a stomach feeling somewhere between exam and like Christmas Eve, and I'm not quite sure which one is the dominant feeling or which one should be, but I'm getting somewhere that's straight to the camera, and that's always fun. So I have my new haircut, and I'm really pleased with it, and I now have my hair, and I'm going to send that off to the little princess. So I have cut my hair. That much is obvious. I'm also sat on a windowsill. I've been known for a long time by my hair, which is kind of weird, but because it's ginger and was really long, a lot of people would recognise me by it or remember me for it. But the day is now over, they're going to have to just try and remember the face instead. That it's all gone. It's next to me in a freezer bag, but it is ready to be sent off to the Little Princess Trust charity. I'm sending it off so that it can be made into part of a wig, which means that a kid with cancer or alopecia and that they've lost their hair, they can get a free wig. So if you, male or female, have long hair and would consider cutting a decent bit of it off, I would recommend heading to their website and having a look, because they have loads of information there which helped me decide what I should do with my hair, and it's been really good fun, and I can't believe that something that fun has ended up actually benefiting, hopefully in future, other people. And the moment that you've been waiting for, if you've known me with long hair for a while, I will now show you the immortalised moment of me having my hair cut off by the lovely Almondine.
That sounds better.
So this is it, the big chop. So we've sectioned it all out already. Oh, we don't like that so we can see.
You see that place? Yeah. That's going to be chopped off.
Are you ready, Almondine?
Yeah.
Smile.
Hello. How was your holidays? Oh dear.
Oh dear.
That's amazing. God, you got so much hair. I struggle so much to go through it. That's how we do it in France.
What, like with the
No. Of course we don't cut hair like that.
Look at the concentration. That's it. I think she should hold it.
I think you should all be very proud.
The surreal moment where you have you're holding your hair in your hand. You should be so proud of yourself.
Many years worth of running. Wow.
You already have a haircut.
There you go, you're all done now, you can leave.
So there is my former hair, and then we're gonna put it on the scales and see how much we got.
Okay, so let's just put it back to 0.
Okay. 88 grams of hair.
87.
Wow.
88.
That's a lot of
88.
I'm not used to my really no hair in the back here, so this is going to be exciting and getting it now styled. Today was like a double whammy for opportunities to help people, in that I went along to the training salon for Gina Conway, the Avida one in London, and I was a model for one of the trainee hairdressers, and I think she did a cracking job. But I got a reduced price haircut and she got a model to practice and perfect a haircut, so win-win!